Yo, what up guys? Josh Kim with Curate, aka Jet Set Fly, coming to you guys live. Again, standing outside the balcony of my new place. Still gonna show you guys, haven't had the chance yet, but I'm gonna show you guys this week. But I have an important announcement I wanted to bring to you guys. If you guys been following me over the last year or two, you guys, you kind of seen my journey, you kind of seen where I've been, what I've been up to. And about a year ago, we had an idea that we started executing, we started putting into place to be pretty much like the global hub of anything e-commerce related. Think of it like the Google of e-commerce, or ClickFunnels of the e-commerce space. And so we've been working on it for, we've been actively working on it for probably about 7 or 8 months. I've done a video way back. You guys might have seen it. I talked about, getting early access and that type of stuff. And today, we are finally ready to bring it to you guys. And this Saturday, February 17th in Los Angeles, California, and then a Saturday after that, February 24th in Los Angeles, California, the Hollywood Hills, mansions up in the hills, views, looks amazing. We are having a pre-launch event. So what does this mean? A pre-launch event, we're gonna be having an in-person e-commerce training. About 40 people can come to each of these events, and we're going over Facebook ads, pixels, retargeting, Instagram ads, sponsored ads, shout outs, influencers, how to really utilize influencers, how to use the two platforms together, Facebook and Instagram. We're going over taxes and accounting, because one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of dropshippers make, and a lot of people in the e-commerce space, is they make all this money, all these sales, and then they don't know what to do in taxes, so they end up getting taxed on the total sales amount instead of the total profit. So sometimes their taxes end up being more than what they actually made. So obviously you can see how that can be a problem, and we have a certified tax guy going over that. Nobody else talks about that. We're going over copyright, we're going over email marketing, we're going over pretty much anything and everything you can think of when it comes to the e-commerce space. So it's gonna be absolutely insane, in person, 6-hour training. It starts around 4 p.m. Fly in real quick, come to the event, fly out, get some pictures, get some content. We're gonna be giving you guys some nice Excommerce t-shirts, bring you guys a part of the community. And the bonus that we're gonna do for you guys too is when you come to this event, when you guys fly in, and you come to this event, you get the training, you work with us. And the 24th, by the way, is an overnight event if you guys decide to stay the night. You guys also are gonna get free access for life, grandfathered in to the Excommerce online platform, which is hundreds of videos, hundreds of hours of training, brought in about 4 of my top experts that I know, people making anywhere between probably $150,000 to $400,000 a month in sales with their Shopify business. And there's tons and tons of hours of training, and this is not, so here's one of the common things that pisses me the fuck off, to be dead honest, and excuse my language, but I see so many people on YouTube, online, trying to push this, trying to say this, trying to say these are all the strategies that work, but these are things that work for them one time with one product, one trend, one season, whatever it is, and they're not proven methods that are proven to continue to work over and over and over and over again. And they might have got one lucky day, they might have one lucky month, and all of a sudden they think they're certified to go and tell everybody. And people wonder why I haven't, or any of my business partners haven't even talked about or gave everybody all the information that we've been doing over the last year, because we don't want to give somebody something that doesn't work. And so after about 7 months of testing and making sure this works, running people through as beta users, testing hundreds of thousands of dollars with ad spend to make sure this actually works, we finally have something. We finally have a full, literally step 1 to step 1,000,000 that covers everything, that covers every app, that covers email marketing, that literally covers everything that most people kind of forget to leave and leave out when they try to tell somebody how to do something. And we're putting that all inside the online platform. And not only that, but we're also telling you guys at the event in person. So all you have to do, bring a laptop, bring a phone, bring a notebook, and we're gonna break out into small sections. We're gonna help you guys get set up. We're gonna help you guys start building your business and really get to next level. I would be surprised if you came to this event and you didn't leave like, holy shit, because even every time I talk to my business partners and we talk to each other, that's how we are, because we always learn something new, because we're always testing, we're always advancing. And just to get this across the platform right now, just so you guys know, Excommerce is not a course, it's not just like a training, it's an entire online platform, a whole system that has literally tools, softwares, freaking systems, and things you can plug into, workshops. What else do we have? We have case studies, we have copy and paste templates and scripts, we have the trainings, we have a community, we have the opportunity as well for those guys that get in. We're gonna teach you guys once you come to the event, but we offer a way to give you guys 5 extra ways to get paid from Excommerce, from the company. And you're probably like, wait, what? And why would you guys pay us? And the reason we're gonna do that is because one of the common things that I realize is a big problem in the e-commerce space is everybody has a school or everybody has a job. So let's just say for a basic example, you're going to school or you're doing a job, let's say a job's 6 hours a day. You're making, $10 an hour. What is that, $60 a day? You're doing that all week. That's whatever the hell it is, and after taxes and everything, you end up only making a couple $100 a week, right? The problem with that is you're now spending 6 hours a day working on something you don't want to work on, something you're not passionate about, something that cannot increase the pay it gives you, and you're only making a set amount of money. So this is time that is taken away from you building your business, and this is less money that you're able to put into building your business. So I was like, the only way people are actually going to see results, because dude, I see your guys' DMs, I see your guys' messages, I see your guys' comments on my YouTube videos. I bought this course, it didn't work. I bought these events, it didn't work, and I feel kind of bad to some extent, because a lot of the people you guys are getting stuff from are people who are not, they're just not qualified. They're people who came in, they saw success really fast, but they don't have the whole picture yet. And so you guys are kind of getting fooled by the big numbers, and you're listening to these people because whatever they're showing you they have, and it's just not working, And so I was like, okay, if people want to get results, people need to see success, they have to be able to make money. The company, Excommerce, doesn't make money if they don't make money. Excommerce doesn't build a good brand reputation if they don't make money. So I was like, if Excommerce pays people, right, and we teach you guys other ways to make money besides e-commerce, besides Shopify, then I was like, now you don't have to work 6 hours a day, because the income you earn from Excommerce will replace that, and you have the extra 6 hours a day to put into your business. Plus, you're making extra money that you don't have to, get from working your job or whatever. You're gonna be making more money at your job, which gives you an extra 6 hours a day for your business, extra money to test and put into ads, and you can put that back into your Shopify business. So the business model is set pretty much for anybody and everybody to win, for people to actually see results, see success. This is something that you're gonna see around 5 years from now, 10 years from now. This is, in this pre-launch event, I like to think about it, it's like the beginning of Facebook, Facebook in a dorm room, Apple in the garage. That's the type of vibe that we're going for right now. This is something big, it's happening, you have the opportunity to be there. So I hope to see you on February 17th in Hollywood Hills, California, or February 24th and February 25th in Hollywood Hills, California for the pre-launch event. You come to the pre-launch event, you work with us in person. We're gonna get content, we're gonna be shooting, we're gonna be, helping you guys build your businesses. You guys are gonna be some of the first people, nobody has had this opportunity yet to get access to this and get the whole online access platform, which is over $1,000 worth of stuff, 100% free. So I hope to see you guys there. There should be a button below. Go ahead and click the button. It's gonna take you to the page, all the event details. I know it's super last minute, but again, if I would have planned this way in advance, or we did plan it way in advance, but if I would have told everybody way about this in advance, and we would have had too many people go, and the houses that we were able to get in Hollywood Hills, they can only host so many people. So with that said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in LA.